Hello all, today we'll do a chili con carne. Therefore we need 500 gram minced meat, tomato, fresh tomato 5, or a tin can of the peeled tomato, some 2 peppers, 1 red onion, 1 small tin can of corn, 2 tin can of red beans, each 400 gram. So 1 teaspoon of chili, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, salt and pepper. So I begin with, you see, because I have fresh tomato, I put them in the water to peel them. It's easy. You put them 1 minute in the water, and then you take them out and you peel them easily. Then I take my red onion and I cut it in slices. I chop it, yes, and I put it in olive oil. Then I begin to chop my 2 peppers in big pieces, not so small. I fry them with the onions. Okay. During that time, I peel my tomato. You see, it's so easy. It's really easy to do. So then I take my meat, I put my meat in the pan, and I fry the meat too. I mixed all with the peppers and the onion. And what is magic with the video, in 1 click we will go 5 minutes later. Now, nice, isn't it? So then I put all my spices inside, the red beans, the corn, and some tomato puree. I forgot to say that we need a small box, a small tomato puree can. And then I cut my tomato and I put them inside the pan. You can, if you don't have fresh tomato, you can use the tin can of peeled tomato, it's okay. So I mixed all this. I put salt and pepper because I forgot. I mixed all of this, and then I will cover it and let it cook on small fire for 1 or 2 hours. After this, it's done. If it's too dry, you can put a little bit water. If it's too the opposite, you can put fire on it and to reduce a little bit the juice. And so it is. Enjoy your meal, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mes recettes au jour le jour. Bye bye.